My name's Sydney Valgren, and my PGPs are she, her, hers. I grew up in a small town named Balsam Lake, Wisconsin, with about 1,000 people, and I went to Unity School District my entire life. It's one big school that's connected 4K through 12th grade, and I went there since I was a kindergarten and grew up with the same people. We graduated with about 53 people, and you get to know each other pretty well. That's why I came to lacrosse because it was much different from my hometown. The important people in my life are my family, which is my biggest supporters, not these people. My friends who spice up my life and make me laugh. I like spending all my time with them. And this picture is me and my family that I nanny for in the summertime. I've nannied with them for about 4 years now. There's obviously three boys and one girl. I spend all my summer with them, 8 to 5 every single day. So we get pretty close and they're always there for me. I go to church with them. I go to eat with them. They give me cute gifts. They send me cute messages and say how much they miss me. They call me on my birthday. They just are really supportive and I love them. Also, here is a picture of a Polaroid of me and my grandma. I just love her. She's a ray of sunshine. And in the middle is me and my friends from back home. On the top at the beach is me and my friends that I met at college. And at the bottom is me, my mom, dad, and my little sister. Things I give a damn about are making a difference in children's lives. At the bottom here is the class that I TA'd for when I was in high school. They're a kindergarten class, and it was the best year of my life. They all left a print on my heart. My hair, because it's a mess, and I don't like when people touch it, and I care a lot about it. Put a lot of time and energy into it. I care about people's feelings a lot, which really can hurt or help me, I guess. And my education, there's a picture of me at baccalaureate. I like to take, I was really good in high school and I really like took my education seriously and I still do, but college has been a little rocky for me, so. Um, Number four, which is my experience with living or working with multicultural contents. So this is my dad on the left, and he was born in the Philippines, and his dad is black. So I'm kind of I'm 1/4 Filipino, 1/4 black, and half white. So like I've grown up in many cultures. We always have Filipino food. My grandma speaks Tagalog. She tries to teach it to us. We incorporate that culture into our lives a lot. At the bottom here is me and my cousins and my nephews and nieces. The one in the green shirt was born with autism and he's partially deaf. Right now, he's actually 9 and he still can't communicate. He can't, he goes to school, he can't communicate, he can't even do sign language. He wears hearing aids. So he inspired me to become an OT and um, actually my plans obviously changed. Now I'm becoming a teacher, but he really inspired me and I don't know, he pulls on my heartstrings. And this picture over here, this girl was in the picture from before, my kindergarten class. Her name is Jossie. She has Down syndrome, and when I was in the classroom, I worked with her a lot. One-on-one stuff, it was really cool, really fun experience. And then when I played basketball, all the varsity players, when they started, they ran out and gave her a high five, which was really cool, got her, really got her going. So things that make me laugh are my friends, vines, inappropriate jokes, and watching David Dobrik. This is a picture of me after I lost my phone and I got ran over by a snowplow. And we searched for it for about an hour. So, um, things that my classmates can do to make me feel valued is like I like how the teacher said like you can snap to like say you agree with things. I'm very nervous to talk in front of the class, so I never want to contribute. So when people are reassuring and they like think that what I'm saying makes sense and is important, like that's really like cool. And like what makes me feel not valued is like I don't know, like if I'm presenting people like talking or like going on their phone or like I'm really insecure about talking in front of the class and stuff like that. Um and here is I just put in a couple videos of um, things that make me laugh. Like these are things me and my family like to joke around, so these are just like funny videos that I think that you should see, I guess. My sister says, "You're ugly. Stop looking at yourself. The mirror doesn't like your ugliness." She put that taped in my mom's car, which I think is pretty funny. Here's a video of my parents dancing. I think this was so funny. We're just a very joking family, so. And here's another video of like, this is what kind of gives me my like goofy personality because my parents are so goofy.